The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pasture. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in path of righteousness. For his name's sake, even though I walk through the valley of death, shadows of death, I will fear no evil, for you with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me. The presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all days my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.